Okay, welcome back to my channel. We are going to look at the trig ratios. We are saying that trig ratios, they describe the relationship between the sides and the angles of a right-angled triangle. Now consider triangle ABC, where we have this angle theta at A. Okay, now we are going to look at the relationship between these sides and this angle using ratios, namely sine, cos, tan, and the reciprocal ratios. So we are going to first look at this triangle, and then we'll check where the angle is. Theta is seated at, it is at point A. So the side that is opposite, or where theta is facing, we call it our opposite. Okay? Then the side where the angle sits, we call it the adjacent. And the longest side is called the hypotenuse. Okay? It is our hypotenuse. That is the longest side. Now, how do we find sine theta? How do we find cos theta? How do we find tan theta of this? We have sine theta, that is, those are the primary ratios, cos theta and tan theta. We are going to use our acronym, which is SOH CAH TOA. Okay? Where S is for sine, and we say that sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Is for cos, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, and T is for tan, which is opposite over adjacent. So what is sine? Sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, and our opposite here is 4, okay, and the hypotenuse is 5, so sine theta is equal to 4 out of 5. What about cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent out of hypotenuse. Okay, so this is going to be, our adjacent is 3 and the hypotenuse is 5. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 3 out of 5. Then what about tan theta? Tan theta is equal to opposite out of adjacent. Okay, so this is going to be, our opposite is 4 and our adjacent is 3. So tan theta is equal to 4 out of 3. Now let us look at the reciprocal ratios. The reciprocal ratios, we have secant, which is normally written as sec. Sec theta is equal to 1 out of cos theta. Okay, this is the reciprocal. The reciprocal of cos is sec. Okay, then we have cosecant, which is normally written as cosec. Now cosec theta is 1 out of sine theta. 1 out of sine theta is cosec. Now we go to the cotangent. Okay, which is usually written as cot. Now cot theta is equal to 1 out of tan theta. Now we are going to use these ones to find the reciprocal. We're using sine cos theta that we got, the sine theta, the cos theta, and tan to get their reciprocals. Now for sine theta, which is 4 out of 5, okay? Cosec, its reciprocal is cosec theta is going to be 5 out of 4, okay? Then for cos theta, which is equal to 3 out of 5, the reciprocal of cos is sec, so sec theta is going to be 5 out of 3. Then for tan theta, which is equal to 4 out of 3, okay? Cot theta, that is the reciprocal of tan, it is going to be 3 out of 4. We just get the reciprocal of the sine, cos, and tan to get cosec, sec, and cot respectively.